I'm gonna write.
Okay. Write man.
Not people.
Man.
Man, why not people?
Next is van. What? You know how to... Van. Van. Next is rat.
Rat?
Rat. 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 Next is bat.
I cannot see the T.
It's okay. Bat.
It's okay. I'll write again.
Okay.
Put yourself in the solo bat.
Faster.
Hi, I'm gonna write people.
Next is wait. Next is, what did I say? Bat.
People.
Bat.
People first.
Bat first.
But why bat?
I like it.
Oh, I'm afraid of bat.
It's okay.
Do you look like in the left?
It's okay. Bat.
I'm not red in the red.
It's okay. Very good. And then you write my name.
Your name is Blue. Well, your name is like that.
Mitita. Because Mitita.
Your tita I.
No. Who's she?
Yeah, you're not tita I man. Mommy said teacher Nikki cut my nails.
Okay, later.
Why you have two R? Because
Tita gave me that name.
how about me do? How about me?
Faster.
Mommy, why you have two R?
Because my tita gave me that name. Okay, let me see. Ugly man the why. It's okay. Next is Pat.
Pat. I'm really hungry.
Okay. Faster. Lobat na di camera. Faster.
Pat. Poo.
Pat.
I keep doing like this.
Mama.
Mama. Again, like this.
It's okay.
Like this. Like this, mommy.
No, not that one. Okay, Mama.
Same with M. Another M. Why another M, mommy?
See, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.